Fine.
This is control box. Here we have two buttons. One is start button and one is stop button. So once you start the button, the process will start. And this is stop button. One time if you press the button, it will go to temporary pause. It means that whatever the cycle which is running, that will be stopped. And again, once you press the start button, it will start from the from that stopped value. And if you press this stop button two times, it means that the process is executed completely. It means that it will come to the end of the process, and after that only you can press this emergency exit button. So you have to press this stop button two times. After that only you can press this emergency exit. Okay, this is all about functioning. We have three buttons. One is start, one is stop, and one is emergency exit. Start is used to start the full process. Stop is one time if you press stop button, it will go to pause, and two times if you press the button, it will terminate the whole cycle. And after means once you press this two times, after that you can press emergency exit in case of any kind of emergency. Now we'll move on to the controller setup. So this is vacuum on. Timing set பண்ணுங்க.
Dry cycle.
This is dry cycle vacuum. This is the first process. So you have to press start set button. So you'll see that cursor is blinking. Next you have to press F1 button so that you can set the value. Okay, now set the value. So here we are setting 2. 2 means 2 minutes. So vacuum will be on first process. The vacuum will be on for 2 minutes. Then you can press the enter button so that vacuum will stop. Vacuum will be set. Now you can move to second step. You have to press F3 button. So this is solution on position. Means this is here you can set for how much time you need the solution wall to be in an open position. For example, if you are setting 5 seconds, means it will open for 5 seconds. So in this period of time, the solution will go inside the tank. So here you can please set 5 seconds. So F1 is used to toggle. Okay. Okay, 5 seconds is enough. You press enter button. So we have set solution to 5 seconds. Now we can move to third option. This is
wet cycle.
This is wet cycle timing. Wet cycle timing is after pouring the solution inside the tank, we are doing a vacuum process. So here we can set the timing.
30 seconds.
Okay. Here I think we are keeping 30 seconds only. We can keep 1 minute, not a problem. Okay. So we have kept the wet cycle is 1 minute. So this is okay. This is
1 minute. Wet cycle.
This is wet cycle is 1 minute now. Okay. Now next parameter. This is pressure on condition. For this experiment, we are not using pressure, so we have kept it to 0. This is the solution return. Like in vacuum impregnation, we actually once you are doing a pressure process only, then you can use this process. This is used to return the solution back to the reservoir. So here also we have kept it 0 because we are not using this experiment. This is
holding time.
Okay. This is also a pressure parameter which is intermediate between vacuum pressure. So this also we are not going to use, but just keep this value as it is. This is rest time. This is after vacuum process is over. That is third process. Wet cycle. After wet cycle, as per your instruction, we have not set any timing here. So that the vacuum will hold as it was there in that process. Otherwise, if you set any value here, for example, if you are setting 10 second, 30 second, 40 second, so after that 30 second, 40 second, the vacuum will break and the process will stop. So we can okay. For next, so this is vacuum limit. This is sensor value. Normally the vacuum limit will go up to -1 only, but we don't want vacuum to be cut off, so that is why we have kept it on a greater at a greater side. So usually keep this value as -2 only, so that the vacuum pump keeps on running. This is pressure value. Pressure value we are not using here because we are not considering any pressure setup. So keep it as 3 and it will not harm any process. Next is this RST is the rest value, so keep it as 0 as default. This is tolerance. This tolerance is for vacuum. One that is plus or minus 1 tolerance hysteresis. So this also you keep as it is, you don't change. Tolerance 2 is for pressure, so this also you keep as it is because this is all factory setting. That's all. This is the process. Now we'll do one trial. Trial start panenge. Okay, start. So we have started the process. Vacuum is on. If you want to check the vacuum value, press F3 button. Yeah, you can see that the vacuum is now it has reached minus 0.4, 5, and we have kept it as vacuum value for 2 minutes, so it will reach okay. You can come to the main screen. So this is the main screen, process screen. Red color value indicates the set parameter and green color value is the processing parameter. So we have set it to 2 minutes. Now it is 1.3 minute, 1.4 minute.
temperature display very simple.
And at the same time you can see that a temperature is displayed. Our temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. This is the PT100 sensor. We are kept in a vessel. So now the time is 1:31. So after this process you will see that the solution will go inside the tank. So I'm just zooming out. This is the reservoir. Now solution is on.
Wet cycle.
Now wet cycle for 1 minute we have kept it. Temperature is 27 degrees centigrade. So we have 6 seconds to go for wet cycle. That's it. So the process is stopped now. So as per your request, we have not automated the process. Next step. So you can press now emergency exit button to release the vacuum. So this is how the vacuum is released. You can see the vacuum value. Okay.